The Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG W212, available between 2010 and 2016, is a standout in the world of high-performance luxury sedans and wagons. But what makes this car so special, and why should you consider it in today's market? Let's break it down year by year, option by option, and everything in between. Why buy the E63 AMG? If you're in the market for a car that combines extreme performance with top-tier luxury, the E63 AMG W212 delivers on both fronts. Whether you're driving for speed or comfort, this car offers it all. With its engine handcrafted by AMG, it's a great value on the used car market today, given it's now between 5 and 10 years old. The W212 E63 AMG series was an evolution of the earlier W211 AMG models, bringing even more exciting changes to the table. When the W212 was unveiled in 2009, it combined a rich heritage with updated performance features designed to enhance the driving experience. The engine and performance. The E63's initial engine, the M156 6.2-liter V8, produced 518 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. The car could reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. It had a fantastic exhaust note that only an AMG engine could deliver, and the driving experience was pure bliss. With the introduction of a 7-speed MCT transmission, the E63 became more efficient, shifting faster than before while also improving fuel economy. For the 2012 model, Mercedes-Benz made a major update, switching to the M157 5.5-liter bi-turbo V8 engine. It bumped power to 518 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, with the performance package pushing that to 550 horsepower. This new engine offered better fuel efficiency, but didn't quite match the old M156's exciting sound and responsiveness, suspension, and handling. The W212 E63 came with significant suspension upgrades over its predecessors. The car featured a front suspension overhaul with coil springs at the front and air suspension at the rear. AMG's Ride Control Sport suspension allowed for electronically adjustable damping at the push of a button, making this a perfect blend of comfort and agility. With a precise 14:1 steering ratio, the E63's driving experience is smoother, sharper, and more dynamic than ever. Model year changes and updates. 2010 marked the debut year of the W212. And it came with a performance package that included a limited slip differential and an AMG Sport suspension. As we moved into 2011 and beyond, the changes were substantial. The 2012 models introduced the M157 engine, and the S model made its debut with 577 horsepower. In 2014, the facelifted E63 AMG received a new exterior with revised bumpers, grille, and tail lights, as well as a power boost for the S model. Perhaps one of the most notable changes for North American buyers was the shift to all-wheel drive for the 2014 Plus models. The all-wheel drive system improved handling and traction, cutting the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to just 3.4 seconds for the E63S. What to look for when buying and price range. When buying a used E63, inspect the engine, especially the M156, for common issues like timing chain tensioner problems. Check the suspension, particularly the rear air suspension, as some models may leak. Prices vary. Early 2010 models can be as low as $20,000, while low-mileage 2016 E63 wagons can reach $80,000, offering great performance and luxury. So, is the E63 AMG W212 worth it? Absolutely. With its stunning looks, powerful engines, and unbeatable driving dynamics, this car has earned its place as a performance icon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more detailed guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.